students, good morning and welcome to the new episode of English class. In the previous classes we discussed about our fifth lesson, that is trees, our best friends. The title of our fifth lesson is trees, our true friends. Trees, our true friends. In this story it is there is a woodcutter and his name is Mangu, and what is he doing for his livelihood? For earning the money for living, he is doing wood cutting. He is by profession, he is a woodcutter, and he goes to the forest and cut down some trees, and then he sold the woods in the nearby town and earned money for his living. He don't know any other profession. He don't know any other profession. And when the children are seeing the wood cutting, on many occasions they told him that wood cutting is not good for our existence, and the cutting of wood will cause damage to our earth. The cutting of trees would cause damage to our earth. And Mangu thinks that there are so many trees in the forest, then cutting a few will not make any difference. There are so many trees, as many trees are there in the forest. Cutting off a few will not cause any damage to Mother Earth, or will not make any difference. And it was a hot day. This incident happened in a hot day, and it was a hot day. The sun was blazing over the head. The sun was blazing over the head, and he was traveling to the forest with his axe for cutting a tree. At that day, he decided to cut a peepal tree, very huge peepal tree. Walking a long distance, he reached near the forest, and he reached in the forest near the very big peepal tree, and then he feels tired. For taking rest for some time, he sat there or lay down there at the shade of the peepal tree. As he is tired, soon he fell asleep, and in his sleep he feels that the tree branch is enclosing him in his arms, in their arms. The tree branches, the branches of the tree were the arms, like arms, and their arms enclosed him and protected him in a very well manner. Then it is a conversation between the tree and the woodcutter, and he feels that the tree is saying something to him. The peepal tree asked or told the woodcutter, told Mangu that, Mangu, I know very well that you are doing the profession of woodcutting and you are living by that, but don't you think about so many birds and animals are living in me? Why are you cutting the trees? And these animals and birds will suffer if you cut me down. Mother Earth is nurtured us or looked after us for decades, for years and years. Decade means a period of 10 years. Decade, a period of 10 years. For many decades, Mother Earth is nurturing us. Then you came on one day and cut us. Is it a right thing? Then Mangu replied, why, if I am taking care of the birds and animals they living in you, then I and my family would die of hunger. I and my family would die of hunger. We had no other means of money. We had no other means of living. I am a woodcutter and I am earning money from this profession. Then Peepal Tree said that, please listen to me. I would like to tell you that the birds and animals in me are living peacefully nowadays, and they are going in search of food, leaving their eggs and chicks in my nest, and they had a belief that will be looked after by me, and so many families, bird families are living in me. Do you know, Mangu, if trees will not hold the soil tightly, what will happen? When wind came, all the soil will blown away from there. When a wind blew, all the soil will flown away from there, and as a result of that, you couldn't use the land for any other use. And we are attracting rain. The trees are attracting rain. That is why you get sufficient water for irrigation for crops. Otherwise, we couldn't cultivate anything on me. Otherwise, we couldn't cultivate anything in this land. We are attracting rain. First one, we hold the soil together. Then we attract rain. Then which is the next one? it is very interesting. I don't anymore think about these things. You tell me what are the things you do. We are giving you fresh oxygen. We are giving you fresh oxygen and we are taking in the impure air, that is carbon dioxide. We are giving you fresh oxygen and we are taking in the unwanted carbon dioxide. You release carbon dioxide and it is impure air. The carbon dioxide is not needed for you. We are taking in the carbon dioxide, impure air, and we are breathing out oxygen that is essential for your living. And some of the trees first help you to make medicines. Some of the trees help you to make medicines and they are useful for medicinal purposes. You cut us mercilessly. If you cut us mercilessly, mercilessly means without any kindness. Mercy, kindness, merciless, without kindness. And one day the earth will become barren. The tree is giving a warning to the woodcutter. The tree is, he is telling, actually he is telling, the tree is telling to the woodcutter, but he is giving a warning to the whole human beings. If you are cutting these trees like this, cutting down trees like this, if you are not planting more and more trees, what will happen? The earth will be barren. After within a few years, the earth will be barren. The earth will become barren. No birds or animals will survive here. No animals or birds can survive in a barren land. And the human race will suffer a lot. Human race will also die. If the green is not here, if the green will not remain, the blue will not also remain. Green means the forest and trees. Blue means the earth. There is no living life. Blue means life. There will not be any life in earth. If the trees were not here, there will not be any life in the earth. Okay. You will once again listen here. I will read from the very beginning. Please listen to the text, page number 42. Mangu was a woodcutter. He lived in a village near a forest. He cut trees and sold the wood in the nearby town. The children in his village had told him on many occasions that cutting of trees was like causing harm to Mother Earth. But he thought, as there were many trees in the forest, cutting a few would not make a difference. It was a hot day. The sun was blazing in the sky. He had decided to cut a huge peepal tree that day. The hot sun made him tired. As by the time he reached the forest, the tree in the forest, he lay down to rest under the same peepal tree. Soon he fell asleep. Suddenly he felt the branches enclosing him in their arms. Peepal tree. Mangu, I understand that cutting tree is your occupation, but have you ever thought how many birds and animals suffer because of it? Mother Earth has nurtured me for decades and you will take just a day to chop me. Mangu, if I keep thinking about the birds and the animals, my family and I would die of hunger. Peepal tree, please listen to me. I would like to tell you that the birds and animals take rest with me and their families are safe in their nests. I give shelter to all. Do you know, Mangu, if we trees will not hold the soil, it will be blown away by the wind. They attract rains and hence the farmer is able to irrigate the fields. Mangu, this is interesting. Please tell me more. I never thought about trees in this way. Peepal tree. We give you fresh air during the day. We take in carbon dioxide, that is the impure air, so that you get oxygen to breathe. Some of the trees help you to make medicine. They are useful. If you cut them mercilessly, one day the earth will become barren. No bird or animal will survive. The human race will also die because if the green will not remain, so will the Mangu. Oh my God, dear tree. Please tell me what should I do? There we stopped yesterday and today we are continuing the last part, going on to the last part. Oh my God, dear tree, please tell me what can I do? What should I do? What can I do to protect the trees? I am not aware of all these things. I am not conscious of all these things. I don't know anything about these things. Now only I knew these things and now I understood my mistake. I was doing a misprofession. I was doing an apt profession that will harm to the Mother Earth. my profession is harming the mother earth, and I am doing not a good thing. I understood that I am not doing a right profession. I am not doing a right profession. No, now you say, please you tell me, what can I do? What should I do to save the earth? What should I do? Oh my God, dear tree, please tell me, what should I do? What should I do? Then what did the people tree say? Dear mango, please plant as many trees as you can. Plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. P-L-A-N-T. You all know the meaning of plant. It is a noun. It is the name of a something. Small trees are called plants. The young one of a tree is called a plant. But here the plant is a verb. Here the plant is a verb. Plant many trees as possible. Plant many trees as possible means plant as many trees as you can. That means that process of putting that little plant in the earth and putting some soil around it for growing. That is planting trees. Plant is a verb here. In this chapter, plant is used as a verb. In this context or in this sentence, plant is used as a verb. Planting more trees. Plant, it is a verb. It can be used as a noun and a verb. Plant more trees. Plant more trees. In this sentence, it is used as a verb. Plant more trees. Verb. Okay. Plants are used for making medicine. Tulsi plants. We can say Tulsi plants. Tulsi plants are used for making medicines. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S. In the second sentence, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S. In the second sentence, the plant is a noun. Here, the plant is a noun. Okay. Plant is a word that can be used both as a noun and as a verb. Okay. Listen here. Plant is a word and it can be used both as a noun. Now here Tulsi plant are used for making medicines. The plant is a noun. The name of a plant, Tulsi plant. And a plant more trees means it is plant, that verb, that process of planting trees. That is a verb. Plant is a word that can be used both as a verb and a noun. There were so many other words. Okay, that can be used both as a noun and a verb. Okay, then leave it. I am just saying for your information. Dear Mango, please plant as many trees as you can. What was the advice of the people tree? People tree advised Mango to plant as many trees as you can. If you can plant 10 trees, if you can plant 20 trees, as you plant more, we can save our Mother Earth more. We can make sure that our life will exist more. Our life will be easy more. Dear Mango, please plant as many trees as you can. On every important occasion. Important, special. Important means special. Important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-G. Occasion. Next one. Occasion. O-C-C-A-S-I-O-N. Occasion. O-C-C-A-S-I-O-N. Occasion. Chance. Whenever you get a chance on every important occasions. When do we celebrate Environment Day? We celebrate Environment Day on June 5th. On June 5th we are celebrating Environment Day. On our Environment Day, what did we do? We are planting more and more trees. Our schools are giving us some plants, little plants. That means a young one of a tree. They are giving guava tree, then cake tree, then mango tree, jackfruit tree, like that. So many trees were given by them, and we should plant them in our house. On our birthday, from this year onwards, on your birthday, you try to plant a tree. On your birthday, you try to plant a tree. Then we can say that it is the tree of my second birthday. It is the tree of my 10th birthday. It is the tree of my 11th birthday. You can say that. It will be very good for our future. Planting more trees will be good for our existence, good for our survival, good for our future. Okay. Dear Mangu, please plant as many trees as you can on every important occasion. Every means all. On all important occasions in your life, gift or plant a tree. You can give on your son's birthday, on your mother's birthday, you can take a plant from the surroundings and you can give it as a gift to your mother. Mother, please plant it in the garden. It is my gift to you. And then your mother will be very happy. Your mothers will be very happy. Dear Mangu, please plant as many trees as you can on every important occasion in your life. Gift a tree or otherwise plant a tree. Wow. If you can gift a tree, you can do that. If you can plant a tree, you can do that. Either of them is very important, very useful. Gift or plant a tree. Take care of the ones that need care. If a plant is going to die, that means if a plant is in the edge of drying, what can you do? Nowadays there is not sufficient rain and the sun is very hot, and what can you do to save the plants? You can give water to them. You can water them. That process is also called water. You can water the plants in the evening and the morning. You can give water to the plants in the evening and the morning. People tree. Dear Mangu, please plant as many trees as you can on every important occasions in your life. Gift a tree or plant a tree. Take care of the ones that need care. Take care of the ones that need care. Mangu, thank you dear tree. From today I shall change my occupation. I shall change my occupation. From today onwards, I shall change. Change means deviate or I stop. From today onwards, I didn't cut any trees. I am taking a promise. I am giving you assurance. I am giving you a promise that I will never cut a tree. I will never cut a tree. Thank you, dear tree. From today, I shall change my occupation, job. Occupation, job. occupation, occupation, job. OCCU. Thank you dear tree. From today I shall change my occupation. From today I shall change my occupation and look for something else. I look for means search. What is the meaning of look for? Search. LOOKFOR. Look for means search. SEARCH. What is the meaning of look for? Search. I look for some other jobs. I look for some other jobs. From today onwards, I am taking a decision. I will never cut trees. I am taking a decision. I will never cut trees. From today onwards, I am going to take another profession. Search for another profession. Maybe I shall become a gardener. I shall be now on hearing the importance of trees and plants. I want to become a gardener. GARDENER. I want to become a gardener. What is the job of a gardener? Looking after plants, then planting more plants and taking care of plants all the time. Taking care of plants. That is gardener. Maybe I shall become a gardener and take care of the plants. I like to take care of the plants anymore in my life. From today onwards, I give up my profession of wood cutting. I never cut a tree and I wanted to become search for another job and I would like to be a gardener. Listen here, listen to the top words from this paragraph. Plant. Here in this sentence, plant is used as a verb. PLANT. Plant. Okay. Two sentences are written here. First one is plant more trees. In that sentence, plant is used as a verb. And the second sentence, tulsi plants are used for making medicines. In this sentence, this plant is used as a noun. Tulsi plant, the name of a plant. Okay. Then next one, important. Listen to the spelling. important, important, important. Okay, the next one, occasion, 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 occasion. Next one, change, change. Listen here, change. Next one is occupation, occupation, occupation. Next one, look for, look for. What is the meaning of look for? Search, look for, search. Next word is gardener, gardener, gardener. Okay. Listen to that paragraphs. Dear Mangu, please plant as many trees as you can on every important occasion in your life. Gift or plant a tree. Take care of the ones that need care. Mangu, thank you dear tree. From today I shall change my profession or occupation and look for something else. Maybe I shall become a gardener and take care of the plants. Mangu opened his eyes. All this time he was sleeping under the tree. All this time he was sleeping under the tree, and this conversation happened in his dream. This conversation happened in his dream. Can the people tree talk to him? No, the people tree couldn't talk to him, but all these things happened in his dream. He came under the shade of the tree as a tired man as he was walking a long distance. Then he felt tired and he take rest under the tree. He lie down there. At that time he felt all these things were happening in his dream. The people tree talked to him. Then the people tree discussed about the importance of planting trees and what are the use of plants. And after that, then he opened his eyes. After saying that, from today onwards, I changed my profession. I look for something else and I wanted to become a gardener to look after plants. Then at that time, what happened? Mangu opened his eyes. All the time he was sleeping under the shade of the tree, and then he opened. The spelling is O-P-E-N-E-D. Opened. O-P-E-N-E-D. Opened. Mangu opened his eyes. Mangu opened his eyes. The tree was standing erect. Then he opened his eyes and looked around. Then he saw the tree stand erect. Erect means directly. Erect. The tree was standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. The tree was standing erect. E-R-E-C-T. Erect. Erect means direct, straight. The tree was standing erect. The tree was standing straight. Mangu opened his eyes. The tree was standing erect. Was it a dream? He is thinking, was it a dream? I had an experience with the tree. I had a conversation with the tree. I had a chat with the tree. Nowadays we are using the term instead of conversation, chatting. Okay. Mangu had a conversation or chat with the tree. Was it a dream? He had realized the importance of planting trees. Anyway, however, that means anyway. However means anyway. He had realized means understood. R-E-A-L-I-Z-D. Realized. R-E-A-L-I-Z-D. He understood the importance of planting trees. Importance, not important. Importance. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-C-E. Anyway, however, if it is a dream or not, if it is a real incident or a dream, anyway, he understood the importance of planting trees. Mangu understood the importance of planting trees. Mango opened his eyes. The tree was standing erect. Was it a dream? However, he had realized the importance of planting trees anyway. He had realized the importance of planting trees. He touched the thick trunk of the tree, thanked it for the shade and left. What did Mango do? Then he wake up from there. He stand at the tree and he touched Touched. Touched. Which is the word Touched. Touched. He touched the trunk of the tree. Hard trunk. The tree is a very big one and it had a thick trunk. Thick. The word is thick. Thick. Trunk. He touched the thick trunk of the tree. Mango get up from there and he stand near the tree and he touched the thick trunk of the tree and thanked it for giving shade and left. He thanked it. Thanked it. He said that thank you to the tree. Thank you for giving me shade. Shade means shader. Tunnel. Shade. 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 He thanked the tree for giving shade to him. He thanked the tree for giving shade to him. Mango opened his eyes. The tree was standing erect. Was it a dream? However, he had realized the importance of planting trees. He touched the thick trunk of the tree. What did Mango do? Mango touched the thick trunk of the tree and thanked it for the shade and left. He thanked it for said, thank you for the tree for giving me the shade and protecting me in your arms and enclosing me in your arms, and he left there. The tree smiled and its leaves swayed with the breeze. What did the trees do? The tree smiled. S-M-I-L-E-D. Smiled. The tree smiled. S-M-I-L-E-D. Smiled. The tree smiled at him and swayed. S-W-A-Y-E-D. Swayed means it is nodding its head here and there. It is nodding its leaves here and there. The leaves of or the branches of the tree are moving here and there. It is swaying, swinging, swaying. Here the tree smiled and its leaves swayed. Its leaves swayed means it's moved with the breeze. There was a breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-D. Breeze. Not heavy, light wind is called a breeze. Breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. Breeze. Light wind is called a breeze. Mango opened his eyes. The tree was standing erect. Was it a dream? However, he had realized the importance of planting trees. He touched the trunk of the tree and thanked it for the shade and left. The tree smiled and its leaves swayed with the breeze. The tree smiled at him. The tree smiled at him. Why? When I told him the importance of planting trees and don't cut the tree, he understood the importance of planting trees. Then he had left without cutting me. So the tree became thankful to Mango and he swayed with the breeze. Its leaves swayed with the breeze. Birds chirped and all were very happy. All the birds in the tree, there were so many birds living in the tree and all the birds chirped. C-H-I-R-P-E-D. Chirped. C-H-I-R-P-E-D. Chirped. All the birds chirped with happiness. They chirped with the and all were happy. All the birds chirped and all of them were happy. Okay, I will read from the very beginning. I will read today's portion. You please listen at first. Mango. Oh my God, dear tree, please tell me what should I do? People tree. Dear Mango, please plant as many trees as you can. On every important occasion in your life, give to a planted tree. Take care of the ones that need care. Mango. Thank you, dear tree. From today, I shall change my occupation and look for something else. Maybe I shall become a gardener and take care of the plants. Mango opened his eyes. The tree was standing erect. Was it a dream? However, he had realized the importance of planting trees. He touched the thick trunk of the tree, thanked it for the shade, and left. The tree smiled and its leaves swayed with the breeze. Birds chirped that they were happy. All were happy. I'll read from the very beginning. You once more listen to the text, page number 42. Mangu was a woodcutter. He lived in a village near a forest. He cut trees and sold the wood in the nearby town. The children in his village had told him on many occasions that cutting of trees was like causing harm to Mother Earth. But he thought as there were many trees in the forest, cutting a few would not make a difference. It was a hot day. The sun was blazing in the sky. He had decided to cut a huge peepal tree that day. The hot sun made him tired by the time he reached the tree in the forest. He lay down to rest under the same peepal tree. Soon he fell asleep. Suddenly he felt the branches enclosing him in their arms. Peepal tree. Mangu, I understand that cutting trees is your occupation, but have you ever thought how many birds and animals will suffer because of it? Mother Earth has nurtured me for decades, and you will take just a day to chop me. Mangu. If I keep thinking about the birds and animals, my family and I would die of hunger. Peepal tree. Please listen to me. I would like to tell you that the birds and animals take rest in me and their families are safe in their nests. I give shelter to all. Do you know, Mangu? If the trees will not hold the soil, it will be blown away by the wind. We attract rains and hence the farmer is able to irrigate the fields. Mangu. This is interesting. Please tell me more. I never thought about trees in this way. Peepal tree. I give you fresh air during the day. We take in carbon dioxide, the impure air, that is the impure air, so that you get oxygen to breathe. Some of the trees help you to make medicines. They are useful. If you cut them mercilessly one day, the earth will become barren. No bird or animal will survive. The human race will also die, because if green will not remain, so will the blue. Oh my God, dear tree, please tell me what should I do? Then Peepal tree. Dear Mangu, please plant as many trees as you can. On every important occasion in your life, gift or plant a tree. Take care of the ones that need care. Mangu, thank you, dear tree. From today I shall change my occupation and look for something else. Maybe I shall become a gardener and take care of the plants. Mangu opened his eyes. The tree was standing erect. Was it a dream? However, he had realized the importance of planting trees. He touched the thick trunk of the tree, thanked it for the shade and left. The tree smiled and its leaves swayed with the breeze. Birds chirped and all were happy. Birds chirped and all were happy. Okay, look at the top words from this part. You listen. Opened. O-P-E-N-E-D. Opened. Look at the word. O-P-E. Say the spelling and pronunciation with me. O-P-E-N-E-D. Opened. Next word. Standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing. Next word. Erect. E-R-E-C-T. Erect. E-R-E-C-T. Erect. Next word. Realized. R-E-A-L-I-Z-E-D. Realized. R-E-A-L-I-Z-E-D. Realized. Next word. Importance. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-C-E. Importance. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-C-E. Important. Importance. Next word. Touched. T-O-U-C-H-E-D. Touched. T-O-U-C-H-E-D. Touched. Next word is chirped. C-H-I-R-P-E-D. Chirped. Once again. C-H-I-R-P-E-D. Chirped. Next word thick. T-H-I-C-K. Say the spelling and word. T-H-I-C-K. Thick. Next word. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Say the word. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Next word. Thanked. T-H-A-N-K-E-D. Thanked. T-H-A-N-K-E-D. Thanked. Next word is shade. S-H-A-D-E. Shade. It is shade. S-H-A-D-E. Shade. Next word. Smiled. S-M-I-L-E-D. Smiled. S-M-I-L-E-D. Smiled. Next word, swayed. S-W-A-Y-E-D. Swayed. S-W-A-Y-E-D. Swayed. Next word, breeze. B-R-E-E is a E. Breeze. B-R-E-E is a D. Breeze. Once again, you look at the words opened, standing, erect, realized, importance, touched, chaired, thick, trunk, thanked, shade, smiled, swayed, breeze. S-W-A-Y-E-D, swayed. Once again, opened, standing, erect, realized, importance, touched, chirped, think, trunk, thanked, shade, smiled, swayed, and breeze. Okay. Let us have a look at the question answers from the last part. You please take care. You listen here. Listen. Name some ways in which trees are useful. Name some ways. Name some ways in which trees are useful. Trees are useful. How does trees are useful to mankind? Trees hold the soil. Trees hold the soil. First one. Trees hold the soil. Trees hold the soil. First one. Okay. Then second one. Trees gives us oxygen. Or trees attract rains. Trees attract, A-T-T-R-A-C-T, attract rain. R-A-I-N. Trees attract rain. Then next one, third one. Trees give us oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N. Trees give us oxygen. Then trees are used for making medicines. Fourth one. Trees are used for making medicines. Medicines. Trees are used for making medicines. And which is the other thing? Trees gives us fruits. Then vegetables. Trees and plants gives us fruits, vegetables, and yes, say trees, vegetables, then paper, all the things. Okay, trees gives us vegetables and fruits. Trees and plants give us trees and plants give us vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. F-R-U-I-T-S. Vegetables and fruits. Say some ways in which trees are useful. Trees hold the soil. Trees hold the soil. Which is the first use? Trees hold the soil. That is the first use. Then second one, trees attracts rain. Trees attract rain. A-T-T-R-A-C-T. Attract. Trees attract rain. Then third one, trees gives us oxygen. Trees give us oxygen. Trees give us oxygen. Oxygen is used for breathing. We breathe in. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Trees give us oxygen. Trees give us oxygen. Then trees are used for making medicine. Some trees are used for making medicine. Some eucalyptus trees, tulsi plant, then neem tree, ashoka tree. These are all used for making medicine. Some trees are used for making medicine. Some trees are used for making medicine. Then trees and plants give us vegetables and fruits. Trees and plants give us vegetables and fruits. Okay, name some ways in which trees are useful. Say once again you say first one, trees hold soil. Trees hold soil. Second one, trees attract rain. Trees attracts rain. Then third one, trees gives us oxygen. Trees gives us oxygen. Then fourth one, trees are used for making medicine. Trees are used for making medicine. Fifth one, trees and plants give us vegetables and fruits. Once again, trees hold the soil. Trees attract rain. Trees give us oxygen. Trees are used for making medicines. And trees and plants give us vegetables and fruits. Okay. Our chapter is over and let us do your comprehension in the next class, and you take care and read the text so many times and study the chapter. Okay. Thank you.